hands up, yes! Louder! Now on the party boat, you're allowed to scream. You're allowed to laugh. You're even allowed to sing along to the songs I'll sing. Don't worry, I won't sing It's a Small World. I don't like that song. If anybody starts singing that song, alright, I got some safety instructions for you guys. Please keep all hands, arms. Yeah, if you ask me, they're quite beautiful. Yeah, their wingspans go from 12 inches all the way to a whopping 1 foot. That's why I like to call them the rulers of the jungle. Yeah, you want to know why? Because they're true monarchs. Yeah, right over here, this is Inspiration Falls. Now, I know most of you are wondering why we call it Inspiration Falls. It's because the more you guys actually laugh at my jokes, the more it inspires me to go deeper into the jungle. Just kidding, these aren't jokes, they're facts. Now we're on the Congo River. So let's see how far we can go! Hey, by the way, that's a Jungle Book. It's just a book in the jungle. Yeah, I call that first edition. It's been here in the jungle since 1971. Do you know what I call that? A historical fact. Since this is the party boat, I arranged a party on Pygmy Beach. Well, this is embarrassing. It's my birthday all over again. No one's there. I can't see anybody. Can you? Someone must have scared him away. Can anybody tell me what scared him away? Oh, that creature starts with a P. Can anybody tell me? What did you say? What did you say? Did you say something? I thought I heard you say something. No paper. I see a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Yeah, pythons are friendly creatures. They can develop a crush on you. Yeah, it's quite the constricting relationship if you ask me. You just don't want to get wrapped up in that business. Oh, my in-laws decided to make camp. Yeah, at least I got my Jeep to turn over. They must have used a monkey wrench. Ma'am, by the way, they find that color very appealing.
Oh, yeah.
And no, trust me, they go ape.
That's alright.
Uh-oh, we're on the Nile River now. The longest river of them all! It goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, then you're in! Disbelieve! Oh, it's disbelieve. Oh, right there, that's the second most feared animal in all of Africa. The one right there is the most feared. His mother-in-law. Sir, I don't think you're allowed to laugh at that joke. Those are African elephants. Can anybody tell me why we call them African elephants? It's because we're in Africa! This is our boulder attraction on the Jungle Cruise. It's quite marvelous if you ask me, but don't worry. I don't take it for granted. Oh, those zebra. That lion looks like he's babysitting that zebra. Yeah, that zebra looks dead tired if you ask me. Yeah, may he rest in pieces. Alright, so I got some jokes for you guys. Let's see if you guys actually think those are funny. You guys want to hear a joke? Yeah, my career. Why are you laughing? I'm working right now. No, I'm just kidding. What's Pirate's favorite cookie? Chips Ahoy! What's Star Wars' favorite snack? A Chewy bar. Yeah, now what's the difference between an in-law and an outlaw? Outlaws are wanted! Yes! Oh, we're realizing in the crocodile territory. It's my friend Smiley and his girlfriend Ginger. Yeah, don't worry folks, Ginger snacks. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. Yeah, milk and cookies, milk and cookies. Now right up ahead we got a treat for you guys. This is Schweitzer Falls! Named after the famous explorer, Albert Falls! Oh yeah, taking that mist, I bet it felt great. Yeah. How'd that feel? Feel good? Yeah, it's about 100 different types of bacteria. You might want to shower. I don't know why you're laughing. I thought that was quite disgusting. Now, I know most of you wondering how I landed my awesome job on the Jungle Cruise. Well, it's pretty plain to see. Yeah, I was just winging it. Oh, for the people in the back, that's just the tail end of that story. Oh, I got a joke for all you psychics. I'm working on it. I get it. It's pretty telepathetic. Yeah, but it's the thought that counts. Oh, charging hippos. I'll have to scare him away like I scared away my girlfriend. I love you! Titanic. No. I don't think I saw any charging hippos though. Did you guys? No, they must be a bunch of hypocrites then. Well, it looks like we're heading into headhunter territory, where it is a deadly place to be headed. Oh, it looks like a bunch of native arts and crafts. Yes, it looks like a bunch of sculptures. Oh, yes, who's over here? The natives are dancing in circles. It must be because they don't know how to square dance. Oh, it's the villagers from the YMCA. Yeah, you know what they like to say. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the Y. Every duck is an ambush. Parents, hold up your kids. They act as smaller targets. Kids aren't laughing anymore. You guys been awesome so far. So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. How to get unlimited fast passes. First, you want to go up to scan your maps, man. Or scan your card, then wipe off the screen as soon as you guys in the cabin. So one final upside down X. And you have secured unlimited fast passes. If you have any questions, this lady right here has been staring at me very awkwardly throughout this entire trip.
Staring you down.
Sorry, I gotta pay attention. Sorry. We just went underwater and saw the backside of water. So who wants to hear a chemistry joke? Yeah, what's the backside of water? Oh, 2H? Yeah, I only tell that joke periodically. Right now we're on the Mekong River in Cambodia. Up ahead lies the tunnel. The tunnel can only mean one thing. A gift shop. So bring out your credit cards. It's about to get pricey. Oh yeah, buckle up. This may be a bumpy ride. Or it could be like Splash Mountain, so put on your ponchos. We might get wet. Looks like we wandered into the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Now don't worry folks, take as many pictures as you like. They all have their trunks on today. Now, does anybody know why we call them Indian elephants?
We're in India.
No, we're in Cambodia. Please pay attention.
Oh, what?
Oh, this is so adorable. 2 baby elephants under a full moon. So cute. Jesse, no. I was gonna save you guys for good. Sammy, just stay, Sammy. No, everybody duck, goose. Yeah, I know most of you think that's water. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, for like the 1, 2, 3, 4 people who actually laughed at that joke, I call that dry humor. And you're all welcome. Because you're not wet.
Now we know where comedians come to die.
What?
So now I know where comedians come to die.
Oh. Where?
Right here.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, looks like it's our head salesman, Trader Sam. He's got deals between 2 heads for one of yours. Yeah, if you ask me, no matter how you slice it and dice it, you'll come out ahead. Yeah, it's quite the bargain. Yeah, well, back to civilization, or like I like to say, back to work. Yeah, so much fun. Now, as we approach dock, there are going to be 2 sides of the dock. Yeah, that is called a paradox.